Many people don't start a manufacturing business because they think that it requires a lot of investment, big space, and lots of employees. But you are mistaken, my friends. You can start your own manufacturing business even from the comfort of your home. But now you must be thinking which manufacturing business you can do from home and where will you acquire the raw materials from? Well, we understand that these kind of questions often arise when you want to start something new. But unfortunately, a 15-minute video on social media is not enough to answer all your questions. Therefore, Freedom app, Bharat's #1 livelihood platform, brings to you a number of courses on manufacturing businesses like candle making business, designer handbag business, cloth bag manufacturing business, and many more. In these courses, you will be guided by expert mentors who have been doing exceptionally well in the manufacturing businesses from last many years. After watching these courses, you can also connect with these mentors via video call and get all your questions answered. So what are you waiting for? Learn the secrets of manufacturing business and also explore more than 1200 life-changing opportunities only on Freedom app, which is trusted by over 1 crore users. Don't wait. Download Freedom app now.